Hello friends, welcome to Gyan Vithi. Today I will discuss with you important problems based on chapter Polynomial. In the previous day, I will discuss with you the important problems based on the chapter Number System. The first problem. The value of k for which x plus 2 is a factor of x plus 1 whole to the power 7 plus 3x plus k whole to the power 3 is dash. Let f of x equal to the polynomial, and since x plus 2 is a factor of f of x, then we have f of minus 2 is equal to 0, minus 2 plus 1 whole to the power 7 plus 3 into minus 2 plus k to the power 3 is equal to 0, and from this we get this k minus 6 whole cube is equal to 1, k minus 6 is equal to 1, therefore k is equal to 7. So you will get the value of k. The next problem is find the remainder when x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 is divided by x minus y is dash. Let f of x equal to x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 and g of x is equal to x minus y. Now g of x is equal to 0 implies x minus y is equal to 0 implies x equal to y. By the remainder theorem, we know that when f of x is divided by g of x, then the remainder is f of y. Now f of x is equal to, putting the value of x, we get y to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 is equal to 0. The third problem is when p of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus 2x plus a is divided by x plus a, find the remainder. We have p of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus 2x plus a. By the remainder theorem, we get when p of x is divided by x plus a, the remainder is p of minus a. Now p of minus a is equal to, we put the value minus a in place of x, then minus a whole cube plus a into minus a the whole square plus 2 into minus a plus a. That is, finally we get minus a. This is the required answer. Here is the next problem. If x plus k is the common factor of f of x is equal to x square plus px plus q and g of x is equal to x square plus lx plus m, then find the value of k. Since x plus k is the common factor of f of x and g of x, so we get f of minus k is equal to 0 and g of minus k is equal to 0. And putting the value of x, we get k square minus kp plus q is equal to 0. So k square is equal to kp minus q, that is equation number 1, and g of minus k is equal to 0 implies k square is equal to kl minus m, that is equation number 2. Okay. Now solving the equation 1 and 2, we have k is equal to q minus m by p minus l. So this is the required answer. So move to the next problem. Here in this problem, find the value of r if a square minus 19a minus 25 divided by a minus 7 is equal to a minus 12 plus r by a minus 7. So at first write the equation and now LCM this, multiply this, we will get a square minus 19a plus 84 plus r, cancelling a minus 7 from the both sides, cancelling a square and minus 19a from the both sides, we will get minus 84 minus 25 is equal to r. So r equal to minus 109. This is the required answer. Here is our next problem. If a, b, c are all non-zero numbers and a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab is equal to what? We have a plus b plus c is equal to 0, and it is a well-known formula that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc when a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So the expression is equal to LCM ABC, AQ plus BQ plus CQ, and we will get 3ABC by ABC is equal to 3. This is a very easy question. Now I will show you a real life problem. Let Santosh has rupees x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 50. He want to buy chocolates each of cost rupees x minus 3. After buying maximum number of chocolates with his money, how much money is left with him? Rupees 50 or rupees 40 or 62 or rupees 20. Okay, it is very easy. The amount of money Santosh has was this, and cost of each chocolate is equal to rupees x minus 3. According to the question, we have to find the remaining when x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 50 by x minus 3. So the required remainder is equal to, we have to put x equal to 3 in the place of x, so 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square plus 4 into 3 plus 50, that is this is cancelling, and 12 plus 50 is equal to 62. This is the required answer. So move to the next problem. This is an interesting problem. If x square minus 1 is a factor of ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, then which is the correct answer? Since x square minus 1 is a factor of f of x equal to this, and we can split x square minus 1 into two factors, that is x plus 1 and x minus 1, and by factor theorem we get f of 1 is equal to 0 and f of minus 1 is equal to 0. So putting the value of x equal to 1 in this polynomial, we get a plus b plus c plus d plus e is equal to 0, and this implies a plus b plus c is equal to minus of d plus e, and putting x equal to minus 1 in this polynomial, we will get a minus b plus c minus d plus e is equal to 0. So a plus c plus e is equal to b plus d. So none of these is the correct option. Okay, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned, like, share and subscribe to my channel.